Right, I'm back. We're trying another way now today. Dog's out. Right, introduce yourself. Evie! We'll do it a bit better than that.
Go.
What's your problem, Evie? Just do something. You can't mess around with me. Right.
What did you say?
Tell me a story or something.
Evie.
Is that all you can say? Ah! Say something more. How are we supposed to get the viewers like this? Right.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Right. Let's see the cat. Hello, cat. What'd you say? Well, talk. Talk. What is wrong with you, cat? Right, that's it. Dog. Dog. Evie, get away. Oh, cut.